Next, we make another. Another one is more easy. We are use the 0.4 wire. So here all the earring I wrap it by one size wire is 0.4. Cut it 2 feet. Yeah, 2 feet the wire here. Yeah, welcome. And first we are also wrap it. You just remember the beginning always wrap like here, and then we are use the 那个耳环呢？哦 ，OK, thank you. Here, wrap. 金的写了价格 ，OK. First wrap, then we string the beads. We string the beads, the 3mm beads here. Three millimeter beads. This one. Thank you, my friends, to tap the screen. Give me something like. Okay. Here we can see the beads if around it. This is the way that I shoot several times in my life. It's the most easy way to make. Here. Okay, then you will see here. I round the beads on the top of the hoop, and here I'm not string all the beads around. I just left the space about 1 centimeter. Yeah, hi, happy to see you. Nice to meet you. We are shopped at worldwide shipping. Okay, it's here. Left the space here, not full with beads, just left the space here. Then the wire, we are started here. This one tight. So 1 centimeter the space. Here left the space here. And come the beads. Come the beads. Okay, then wrap. And wrap. Don't worry here the first time that the beads will be twist, no problem. Here. This one. This one. This one. Here. Here. Wrap it the wire on all the space. Yeah. This design I think the old customer already know, because very easy one I already make in my live streaming many times. here and here. Okay, now it's not finished. Why I said it's not finished? If you finish here, you will see that the beads, it will be loose like this. It will be loose like this. If you want to keep it not be loose, okay, here, not be loose, this way, continue. Here, need to wrap her again and again. Here, here, here. Here. See, then go wrap like here, and go wrap it here. Okay, finish. Yeah, do you feel this one is very easy? Even you are never tried the handmade, you can DIY a earring by yourself like this way. Very easy. And it's not so much heavy because it's small. If you want to use like a so big piece hoop to make the design like this, maybe it will be too heavy. So if you add the beads on the hoop earring, need to consider if too big earring hoop with the beads, it will be heavy. Okay, but this one not heavy, so don't worry. Okay, three is 30 millimeter. That's so not heavy. Okay. So we finish the hoop earring. And if any friends want to have a try, you can try the DIY. Use the beads you have and the copper wire. If anyone interested, you can order in my web shop. Okay, or order from my live streaming. I'm going to introduce the copper wire here. Okay, so you will see there are many different ways to make. Yeah, this one is the shelf that can be cleaned, the small beads on desk. Okay.